In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand image in Canva. If you've ever tried placing a tall phone photo into a wide slide, banner, or social media design, you already know the problem. You either end up with empty space around the image, awkward black bars, or a crop that cuts off important parts of the photo. The good news is that Canva has a built-in tool called Magic Expand that can help extend your image naturally without needing complicated editing software. To get started, open Canva and head to the homepage. In the top right area, click Create a Design, then choose a canvas size that fits your project. For example, you might pick a presentation in 16 by 9 format or another landscape layout depending on where the image will be used. Starting with the right canvas size helps Canva understand how much extra space needs to be filled. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, click Upload Files, and select the image you want to work with from your computer. Once it finishes uploading, drag it onto your canvas. Now that the image is on the page, click on it once to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's active when you see a border appear around it. With the photo selected, look to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This opens the editing panel where Canva keeps the image tools you'll need for this process. From there, go into the crop section. Inside those crop options, you should see Magic Expand. Click it to open the expansion controls. This is the tool that uses AI to extend the edges of your image so it better fits your design. Once Magic Expand is open, choose how far you want the image to extend. If you want Canva to fill the entire canvas, select whole page. You may also see aspect ratio options, which can be useful if you want a specific layout. After that, click the Magic Expand button to generate the new background area. Canva will take a few moments to create several expanded versions of your image based on the original colors, textures, and scene details. When the results appear, look through the available options and choose the version that looks the most natural. Pay attention to details like lighting, shadows, and whether the new background blends well with the original image. Once you've found the best one, click Done to apply it. If you have text or graphics on the page, you can now reposition them so everything looks balanced. Finally, go to the top right corner, click Share, then download to export your finished design, and that's it. You now know how to expand an image in Canva quickly and cleanly using Magic Expand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.